How do you feel about all the Americans downloading 小红书?
It's really funny.
You think?
You know, I had a content about me talking with a MAGA guy. You know MAGA, right?
Yeah. Like
He-
Trump supporters.
Yeah, he said something that is racist, and then the comments were like all the Americans arguing with each other. It's so funny.
To the MAGA guy, I would have said, "Town left."
Can you guys teach me some slangs?
I'll teach you a really, really common one, yeah?
Yeah.
So when you have like a friend, you call them my G.
I thought it was American, my G. What's up, G?
No, my
No?
G is British. I mean, a little bit, but they use it more here in London. It's really funny because it's like kind of Chinese, but to say like a girl is really pretty, you got to, oh, you're so leng.
Lang? Why do you say it's pretty Chinese?
Because it's like leng loi, like Cantonese.
Oh, that Lang.
Yeah.
That's basically
Yeah.
the Cantonese. Lang.
Yeah.
Is it like a coincidence or it is from Cantonese?
I don't know, actually. Let's say you did like something really good, yeah? So you did like well on a test, or you've got like a party coming up or something. You're excited for something. You say, oh, I'm so gassed.
That's American
Yeah.
too.
No, it's not.
They use gas too, like to describe
Really?
something is good.
I've never heard an American say that.
Never? Last time a dude told me that gas is used to describe something is good or even to describe drugs.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's weird. Okay, I'll teach you a really, really, really British one. If you say this one's American, I'll cry.
Yeah.
To say like, do you know what a roadman is?
I don't know.
Is there a Chinese equivalent of a roadman?
It's like 像中国类似于精神小伙子的那种，
Oh,
在街上就是穿很厚的衣服，包得很裹。
就跟 teenager 似的呗。
Yeah. With roadmen, when they want to talk about their friend group, they call them the mandem.
Is roadman R-O-A-D?
Yeah, like a road. I say road in Chinese.
马路，
Malu run.
马路人。
路人。
From now on, I'm gonna call the 精神小伙马路人。
Yes.